Got a 2010 Mazda 3 or maybe a brand new CX-5? Doesn't matter which Mazda engine you're driving, it can easily cross 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, and beyond, just with regular maintenance. But what separates a Mazda that runs forever from one that's dead at 150,000 miles? It's not luck, it's knowing exactly what to do and when to do it. Today, I'm handing you a simple maintenance checklist. Most of it you can do at home yourself. Keep watching, because following these tips to the end will save you $3,500 to $6,000 on engine replacement. Let's get started. Number 1. Always change the oil filter with oil. Here's something a lot of folks forget. Changing your oil is only half the job. If you don't change the oil filter too, you're basically sending clean oil through a dirty sponge. Not great, right? Your Mazda's oil filter catches all the tiny bits of dirt, metal, and sludge that build up as your engine runs. If that filter's clogged, all that gunk keeps flowing through the engine, and that means more wear, more heat, and more risk. Fresh oil works best when the filter is clean. The combo keeps everything running silky smooth. So when should you change it? Easy. Every single time you change your oil. For most Mazdas, that's around every 5,000 miles, or about twice a year. Skipping the oil filter might save a few bucks today, but it could cost you big in repairs later. Number 2. Don't skip oil changes. Your Mazda's engine oil is like its lifeblood. It keeps everything running smoothly and cool under the hood. Without clean oil, the metal parts inside your engine rub together, heat up too much, and wear out way faster than they should. Engine oil also acts like a cleaner. It grabs onto dirt, carbon, and grime, and keeps it away from the moving parts. But over time, the oil gets dirty too, and once it does, it can't protect your engine anymore. Here's a quick how-to. Pop the hood and find the dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it off, then dip it back in and pull it out again. If the oil level is between the minimum and maximum lines, you're good. If it's low, add more oil. Some newer Mazdas don't even use dipsticks. You'll see the oil level right on your dashboard screen. Most Mazdas are happy with a change every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. If your oil looks super dark or shiny, those sparkly bits could be metal, it's definitely time for a change. Stick to this habit, and your Mazda's engine will stay strong and smooth for the long haul. Number 3. Clean your throttle body. Your Mazda's engine is supposed to run smooth, like butter on a hot pancake. But if it's been feeling jumpy, slow, or just off lately, your throttle body might be the problem. The throttle body controls how much air goes into the engine, and when it gets dirty, your engine can't breathe properly. Here's how to tell your throttle body needs cleaning. Jerky starts or stops. Your car feels like it's hiccuping. Jumpy acceleration. You press the gas and the car lurches instead of gliding. Worse gas mileage. You're hitting the gas station more often. The check engine light is on. Sluggish power, especially on hills. The good news? You don't always need a mechanic for this. If you're comfortable using some basic tools, you can clean it yourself. And guess what? You could save around $300 to $375 by doing it at home. Enjoying this video? Keep watching, because in the end, I'll share good driving habits that can even delay your preventive maintenance too. Number 4. Don't ignore the other fluids. Engine oil might get all the attention, but your Mazda runs on a whole team of fluids. Skip them, and you could end up with overheating, rough shifting, or weak brakes. Coolant. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating in summer or freezing in winter. Always wait until the engine is cool before checking. Look for the plastic tank near the radiator. If it's low, top it up slowly using Mazda FL22 coolant. You should fully replace your coolant every 50,000 miles or 5 years. Transmission fluid. This helps your Mazda shift gears smoothly. If it's low or dirty, you'll feel jerks or hear strange noises. Manual Mazdas need new fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Automatics can go 60,000 miles. If the fluid looks dark or smells burnt, it's time to swap it. Brake fluid. This stuff helps your Mazda stop when you hit the brakes. Replace brake fluid every 3 to 5 years. If it's leaking or low, fix it immediately. Pro tip: bleed your brakes when changing pads. That means letting the old fluid out instead of pushing it back into the system. Don't let the brake fluid tank run empty while doing this. Keep all these fluids in check and your Mazda will thrive. Number 5. Don't forget the PCV valve. Here's a small part with a big job: the PCV valve. It helps your Mazda's engine breathe by letting out pressure and stopping bad gases from building up inside. But if that valve gets clogged, your engine can't breathe properly. Here's what to watch for. Your car shakes or idles rough. It starts using more oil than usual. You feel a loss of power. Engine sludge starts building up. Luckily, checking the PCV valve is super easy. Do it every 50,000 miles. Just pop it out and give it a shake. If it rattles, it's still good. If not, it's time for a new one. For many Mazda models, the PCV valve takes just 5 minutes to replace. Replacing it costs just a few bucks and can save you thousands in engine repairs. Number 6. Replace your spark plugs. Spark plugs might be small, but they create the spark that starts your car and keeps it running smoothly. No spark, no go. Over time, spark plugs wear out, and when they do, your engine starts acting weird, misfiring or shaking, sluggish acceleration, bad gas mileage, slow starts, rough idling. Most older Mazdas need fresh spark plugs around every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. But newer Skyactiv engines use iridium plugs that can last up to 100,000 miles. Want to swap them yourself? Open the hood and find the spark plugs. Work on one at a time. Pull off the wire or coil and unscrew the old plug. Hand tighten the new plug, then snug it up with the wrench. Reconnect the wire or coil. Boom. Done. New spark plugs make your Mazda run smoother, use less fuel, and last longer. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Number 7. Clean the mass airflow sensor. Want your Mazda to feel even smoother? Clean the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. This sensor tracks how much air goes into the engine. If it's dirty, your engine might feel sluggish, waste more gas, or even misfire. Here's how to clean it. Find the MAF sensor between the air filter and throttle body. Remove it with a screwdriver. Hold a can of MAF sensor cleaner about 4 inches away and give it 10 to 15 quick sprays. Don't touch anything. Let it air dry for at least an hour. Many Mazda Skyactiv engines rely on accurate MAF readings to keep fuel use balanced. Keeping it clean makes a real difference. Number 8. Check your serpentine belt. Belts connect your engine to the alternator, power steering, and air conditioning. Hoses carry coolant and fluids. Over time, belts can crack or loosen. Hoses can get brittle or leak. If you ignore them, your engine could overheat or stall. Look for cracks, splits, or shiny worn spots on belts. Feel hoses for stiffness or bulging. Check for leaks or loose connections. Check belts and hoses every time you change your oil. It only takes a minute. Catch a small issue early, and you could save your engine from a big problem. Number 9. Be gentle during the break-in period. Got a brand new Mazda? Don't go flooring it just yet. Every new engine needs a break-in period, usually the first 1,000 miles. During this time, avoid speeding or hard acceleration. Keep the RPMs low. Mix city and highway driving. In Mazda Skyactiv engines, proper break-in helps seal piston rings and reduce oil burning. Treat it right now, and your engine could last well past 200,000 miles. Number 10. Warm up the smart way. Cold mornings. Your engine feels it too. Some folks idle their cars for 10 minutes, but that wastes gas and pollutes more. Instead, start the engine, wait about 30 seconds, and then drive gently. That gets the oil flowing and warms up everything faster. Mazda's Skyactiv engines are designed to warm up while driving, not idling. If it's freezing, a 2 to 5 minute warm-up is okay, but still drive softly for the first few miles. Number 11. ease off the pedal. High speeds force your engine to work double time. At 70 miles per hour, your engine uses almost twice the power compared to cruising at 50 to 55 miles per hour. That means more heat, more fuel, and more wear. Take it easy on that pedal. Smooth driving helps Mazda engines last longer and run quieter. Number 12. Don't overload your car. Your engine is strong, but it's not a superhero. Towing heavy trailers or carrying too much cargo can wear your engine out fast. Before towing, check your owner's manual for your Mazda's maximum towing capacity. Clean out the trunk. Got sports gear, boxes, or random tools? That's extra weight your engine doesn't need to haul. Keep it light to stay efficient. Number 13. Listen to your engine. Your Mazda doesn't just break down out of nowhere. It gives you signs. Watch out for dashboard warning lights. Get them scanned early. Weird noises, knocking, hissing, or squealing. Burning smells, often overheating or oil leaks. Mazda engines are known for reliability, but only if you listen when they warn you. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.